I dropped my heart on a winter floor, watched it scatter like porcelain stars, pieces of promises, dreams I wore, cutting my hands on who we were. I try to hide every fractured line, pretend that pain had never stayed, but broken things still whisper at night, calling my name through the shame. Then an old soul said softly to me, don't throw away what time has torn. Some things are stronger after the storm. Some wounds become a form of art. Like Kintsugi, meant me with gold, filled every crack with stories untold. Where I was shattered, let light come through. Make me more honest, make me more true. I am not ruined, I'm being remade. Beauty begins where the breaking was made. Every scar shines brighter than before. Kintsugi heart, I am worth fighting for. I carried silence like heavy stone, built up walls no one could climb, smiled in rooms while feeling alone, lost whole years just outrunning time. But every tear became molten gold, every goodbye taught me to heal. What once felt broken, empty, cold, now teaches my soul how to feel. No, I won't curse the fall anymore. The cracks are maps of where I've been, and every ending opens a door for something stronger to begin. Like Kintsugi, meant me with gold, fill every crack with stories untold. Where I was shattered, let light come through. Make me more honest, make me more true. I am not ruined, I'm being remade. Beauty begins where the breaking was made. Every scar shines brighter than before. Kintsugi heart, I am worth fighting for. So if your world is falling apart tonight and all you see are pieces on the floor, don't be afraid of your fractured light. That's what the gold is for. The cracks don't mean you failed to survive. They prove you lived, you loved, you tried. Like Kintsugi, mend us with gold, turn our sorrow into something bold. Every broken piece still has a place, every lost soul still deserves grace. We are not ruined, we're being remade. Beauty begins where the breaking was made. And when the world asks what these scars are for, say they are the places where I became